morning and welcome to episode 18 of Smart CRM Coaching with Mona Karda on Tuesday, March the 8th, 2022. And happy International Women's Day to all the beautiful women out there. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to episode 18 of Smart CRM Coaching with Mona Karda. Today, I'm going to be talking about KvCore mobile app and the benefits of having an app. So if you do not have the KvCore mobile app downloaded, please download that through your app store. So it's going to basically look like this. You're going to click on it right here, KvCore mobile, just like their icon here. Once I click on it, you'll see what the app looks like. Mine's already downloaded, so it's got my picture and everything. You might have to log in. So basically, we've got marketing, autopilot, lead engine, help, and support settings, open house app, and of course, you can switch it to web version. So let's go ahead and click on settings, and let's ensure that your settings and your notifications are on. So you have push notifications, excuse me, push notifications are on, and you've got text messages to your cell number, which is mine, and that notification is also on. So please ensure that that's on so that you're always being notified of that. Some other things that you also need to have is you should also download the Open House app. It looks like this. It's called Core Open House. This is a great tool to have instead of having the paper and pen. The KvCore Open House app is your digital open house sign-in sheet for any listing in your KvCore account. So this is fantastic. You literally can have your iPad at your listings and you can just hand over the iPad to anybody who's coming in for the showings, and their information will be uploaded into your KvCore, and they of course are giving permission for this. So this is a great tool to use. So let's just go back to my KvCore. Here we go. So here at the bottom, you can see we've got our inbox, we've got contacts, we've got listings, we have dialer, and we have, of course, tasks. Okay, so from your contacts, you can go to, all your contacts. You can go to the status of how many active leads you have, how many new leads you have, how many are your spheres, and of course, your saved filters as well. Okay, inbox is going to give you all your activity and your messages. Listings is where you can find all your listings. So for example, you can go to all listings, or you could go to my listings, or you could go to filter. You can literally click on agency listings. All your listings through EXP will show up here. You can click an area. You can draw a map if you like. You can put in some filters of the criteria that you're looking for in your property. You can do all kinds of great things here that you can do on your desktop as well. So let's say, for example, I'm going to pull up a listing, and I'm going to go ahead and put Sanjay. He is on our team here. Hold on one second. Sorry, I'm going to go up here. And I'm going to put Sanjay up here. There we go. Sanjay's listing is going to show up here for me. Okay, so this is a townhome that he has listed currently in, it's a single family home that he has listed here in Milton. No, it is a townhome. Here we go. So what this listing, you can see if you scroll down, it's going to give you the listing overview about the property, just like how it does on your desktop, guys. It's going to talk a little bit about the general features, things like that. I can literally click on open listing if I want it to, and it will take me to my KvCore, and it will show me exactly what the listing is all about. There's Sanjay's phone number, got some information here. I can click on gallery so I can take a look at the beautiful pictures of this property. I can go ahead and click on map so I can see where exactly it's located in Milton. And I can even find like matching buyers for this as well through my KvCore, and names are going to populate here. But let's just go back for a second. Here we go. So I'm going to go back to the actual listing. And one thing I wanted to show you here at the bottom, there's a plus sign. If you go ahead and click on the plus sign, you can send this via email, send it via text. You can actually send directions via text message. You can boost this property, add it to your favorites, show on the map, email to any of your hashtags, text to any of your hashtags. You can also create a squeeze page, post this to your Facebook, post it to your Twitter, or post it to Pinterest, okay? So in this situation, let's say, for example, I'm on the go and we just did a couple of showings and I wanted to send my client another property that came available and I wanted to send them directions. I could literally click on send directions via text message. If I click that, you can see here a message is going to show up on how to get to this property. I can, of course, change that for a different template if I wanted to, or I could just leave it as is. At the bottom, I can just click Mona so that they know it's me in case they did not save my smart number in their phone. And I can go ahead and pick any lead name that I want to. So who do we have on today's call right now? Okay, perfect. So let me go ahead and hit Summit. I'm going to go click Summit's name and I'm going to go ahead and click send and message sent. Perfect. So I know that Summit got my directions on how to get to this property. I can once again click on that and I can even send this via text to, let's say, a client. So I can click on send text and it says, when you have time, please take a look at this property. I found that it fits what you are looking for. If you do not like the way that sounds, again, go ahead and customize it to the way you would like it to be written, or simply pick a template out of all the templates that we have already created for you for text messaging. So go ahead, click on the name of the person who you want to send it to. So I'm going to be sending this to Summit again. Sorry, Summit. Thank you for helping me out with this session today. And Summit, by the way, is a fantastic realtor. If anybody's looking, he does all kinds of investment properties, works with buyers, does a lot of listings. So reach out to Summit. He's a rock star. Okay, so you're going to click on send and there you go. The message will be sent. Okay, so this is a quick way of sending listings to your clients if you come across a situation where you need to do that. What else can we do here? We also have a dialer, which is fantastic. So Mona's got 99 plus leads, overdue calls. Bad Mona. So what you could do is literally click on that and one by one, you can just start dialer and it will start to dial each client for you. And you can make your notes in there and then move to the next one. So this is a really great task. If you want to, spend some time, I know we do this in our Legacy League group. We literally make calls from like 9 to 10:30 every morning. So this would be a great tool to use during that time slot. And everyone should be allocating time towards their leads and just calling them. Okay, you can also view custom lists, okay, if you want to. So, your filters that you have. So maybe you want to contact, your buyers who are interested, your sellers who are interested, or maybe you want to, connect with your vendors, your agents, whatever the case may be. You have tasks, you can click on that as well. You can snooze your tasks, you can delete your tasks. It's completely up to you on how you want to work them, or you can also click on done. Okay, so basically we talked about the tasks, we talked about dialers, we talked about the listings. You can filter the listings, then you can pick the listings that you want from here. You can literally just click and put in Mississauga if you wanted to, and just see all the listings that are in Mississauga that are going to show up here. You have your contacts. You have all contacts, my contacts. You can find a contact in here. You can put a contact in here. by clicking on add contact. You can save it at the end. But, I really want to emphasize on the listings for a second, because I think it's really important to be posting on your social media and really, just focusing on a post a day. You can do, hot condo listing for the week, or you could put, great commercial property that just got listed, or whatever the case may be. But you should be doing that once a day. And, I know sometimes people are busy with their computers, or they're doing other things that they have to do on their desktop, but we have time to scroll social media ourselves. So therefore we should be utilizing it and literally just going in here, pick a listing, click on the oops, sorry, let me just go back there for a second. Click on the listing, literally clicking on the plus button here, and go ahead and just post it to your Facebook business page, and just make a little comment about it, or do something, a little write up on what that property is, or don't write too much about it and let the pictures do it justice. But you do want to be doing that at least once a day. And this is an easy way to do it through your KvCore mobile app. So guys, I'm just going to see if there's anything else that we can show you here. Notifications. Yeah, I don't want to get into all of that. Okay, so here we go. We have here under inbox, if I click on activity, from the activity, you can basically see, you can choose whatever you would like. So if you wanted to click on all activity, you wanted to click on property views, questions, showing requests, valuations, new leads, new texts, new emails, hot leads, new listings, you can do that. So if I click on new listings, so no activity yet on new listings, okay? So I can click on maybe new leads, new texts, and see who has responded to me and what I can do to follow up with them. So this is another great way of just kind of filtering through it, but I highly recommend that you go to your contacts and your notifications, and you just go through your notifications on what what it is that you need to be notified on for that day. I don't want to click on too much because I have some private information in there and I'm unable to show it, so forgive me as I click off that screen really quickly. What else can we do in here? We can email more, we can text, we can do all kinds of wonderful things here. But KvCore mobile app is user-friendly, very, very easy and simple, and great for people who are on the go. So yeah, if there's any questions at all, I would love to open it up to some questions, and I will stop to share screen right now. Thanks, everybody.